Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is another quick tip. It's something we all have to do, but maybe don't know how, so let's go over how to replace your windshield wiper.
There are a few different types of wipers, but the process is essentially the same for all of them. Most will have either a latch, tab, or button that you need to push or pull to release the blade, then slide it out of the hook. To attach the new blade, line up the proper end with the hook, and then slide it in until you hear it click. If your vehicle has a wiper for the back window, you pop off the outer cover, then push in the lever and slide the wiper off the hook. After you've put on the new wiper, just slide the cover on and push it in until it snaps back in place. Or you simply lift the arm up and rotate the blade away from the window. To put on the new one, do those steps in reverse order. Once you've replaced the blade or blades, give the wipers a quick test to make sure everything works smoothly. Quick and easy. Now you're ready for anything the elements throw your way. Stay tuned to Drive Wheaton TV for more quick tips.